Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our homes. But can we really trust it? AI is rapidly changing our world, but with these advancements come important questions. Can we rely on AI to make life-altering decisions, or could it pose a threat to humanity? From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, AI is being integrated into many aspects of our lives. While these technologies offer incredible promise, they also raise concerns about safety, privacy, and the very nature of intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to examine both its potential benefits and risks. Consider the emergence of deepfake technology, where AI can realistically manipulate videos to spread misinformation. Or imagine the implications of AI-generated art, blurring the lines between human creativity and machine-produced content. These examples highlight the power of AI, but they also underscore the need for careful consideration and ethical guidelines. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it will continue to shape our world in profound ways. As we navigate this new era of intelligent machines, we must engage in open dialogue and critical thinking to ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. While the concept of artificial intelligence might seem futuristic, the reality is that we interact with AI systems on a daily basis, often without even realizing it. From the moment our smartphones wake us up with personalized alarms to the suggestions we receive while browsing online, AI is subtly shaping our experiences and decisions. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become ubiquitous, allowing us to control our devices, access information, and manage our schedules using simple voice commands. These AI-powered assistants rely on natural language processing to understand and respond to our requests, learning our preferences and adapting to our habits over time. Recommendation systems, another pervasive form of AI, are responsible for suggesting products, movies, music, and even news articles tailored to our individual tastes. By analyzing our past behavior, purchase history, and preferences, these systems strive to provide us with relevant and engaging content, shaping our online experiences and influencing our choices. AI is also playing an increasingly important role in industries like transportation and logistics. Navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze rely on AI algorithms to analyze real-time traffic data and provide us with the fastest and most efficient routes to our destinations. In logistics, AI is optimizing delivery routes, managing warehouse operations, and even piloting autonomous delivery drones, making our supply chains more efficient and cost-effective. A world of convenience, AI simplifying our lives. Beyond its applications in specialized fields, artificial intelligence is increasingly permeating our daily lives, offering unparalleled convenience and personalization. From simplifying our commutes to helping us discover new entertainment options, AI is making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze have become indispensable tools for navigating unfamiliar cities and avoiding traffic congestion. These apps rely on AI algorithms to analyze real-time traffic data, road closures, and even user-reported incidents to provide us with the most efficient routes to our destinations, saving us time, money, and frustration. Streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube utilize AI-powered recommendation systems to curate personalized lists of movies, music, and videos tailored to our individual tastes. By analyzing our viewing and listening history, these systems learn our preferences and suggest content we're likely to enjoy, expanding our horizons and introducing us to new favorites. Smart home devices, another example of AI's growing presence in our lives, are transforming the way we interact with our homes. From voice-controlled thermostats that learn our temperature preferences to smart lighting systems that adjust to the time of day, AI is making our homes more comfortable, energy efficient, and responsive to our needs. The future of work, AI, and the evolving job landscape. The rise of artificial intelligence is transforming the nature of work, automating tasks previously performed by humans and raising concerns about job displacement. While AI has the potential to create new opportunities and increase productivity, it also poses challenges for workers in industries where tasks are becoming increasingly automated. Jobs that involve repetitive or rule-based tasks, such as data entry, assembly line work, and customer service, are particularly susceptible to automation. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they can perform these tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans, potentially leading to job losses in these sectors. However, AI is also creating new job opportunities in fields like AI development, data science, and AI-related services. The demand for professionals skilled in designing, implementing, and maintaining AI systems is rapidly increasing, presenting new career paths for those with the right skills and training. Navigating the evolving job market in the age of AI requires adaptability, a willingness to learn new skills, and a focus on jobs that require uniquely human capabilities, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Education and training programs must adapt to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Ethical dilemmas and AI. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas that we must confront. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for AI to perpetuate and even exacerbate existing biases. AI systems learn from the data we provide, and if that data contains biases, the AI can inadvertently reinforce those prejudices, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and lending. Another ethical concern is privacy. With AI systems capable of analyzing vast amounts of personal data, questions arise about how this information is used and who has access to it. The line between beneficial data use and invasive surveillance can become blurred, raising the need for robust privacy protections. Furthermore, the development of autonomous weapons powered by AI poses significant moral questions. The idea of machines making life and death decisions without human intervention is a chilling prospect, and it underscores the need for international regulations to prevent the misuse of AI in warfare. Finally, there's the issue of accountability. When an AI system makes a decision that leads to harm, who is responsible? The developers, the users, or the AI itself? Establishing clear lines of accountability is crucial to ensure that AI is used responsibly and that those affected by AI decisions have recourse. Addressing these ethical dilemmas requires a collaborative effort from technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. By engaging in open and honest discussions about the potential risks and benefits of AI, we can work towards solutions that safeguard our values and ensure that AI serves the greater good. What do you think? Do you trust AI? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for my next video.